In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards and mirror columns in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, enhancing your workflow with these interactive connections can significantly boost your productivity. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button to access your account. If you use Google to sign in, click on the Google icon and select your Google account. It's quick and easy, especially if you've already connected your Monday.com account to your Google profile. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left panel where you'll find your boards. Navigate to the one you wish to work with. A tip to make this process smoother is to ensure you're on the dashboard view. This will help you see everything clearly and keep track of your projects efficiently. Next, within your chosen board, locate the table or group where you want to add a new capability. Click on the plus icon to add a column. A pop-up window will guide you through the process, offering several options. What we're interested in today is the Connect Boards option. Click on that to open a new window where you'll set up your connection. Once you're in the Connect Boards window, click on Select Boards. This is where you choose the board you wish to mirror. Take a moment to consider which board holds the data you need to reflect, because choosing the right board is key to maintaining an effective workflow. When you've selected your board, look for the option to create a two-way connection. While this step is optional, it's highly beneficial if you want data to sync back and forth between both boards, providing a seamless flow of information. After setting up the connection, click Connect Boards. Now it's time to create a mirror column. This is where the magic happens. By mirroring a column, you're essentially reflecting specific data from one board onto another. This means any update made to the data on one board will instantly appear on the mirrored board. With the mirror column created, the final step involves selecting the specific data you want to reflect from the board you've just connected. This can be anything from task names to project statuses or deadlines. By doing this, you ensure that your team has immediate access to essential information across multiple boards, keeping everyone up to date and aligned. And there you have it. You've just connected boards and mirrored columns in Monday.com. This connectivity will streamline your processes and enhance team collaboration by giving everyone access to the same critical information no matter which board they're viewing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Monday.com. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy collaborating!